Hello friends! Today we will talk about a topic that is connected to all of our lives, a topic that forces us to think. What has humanity done to nature, and now, what is nature doing to humanity? There was a time when there was a deep connection between humans and nature. Our ancestors considered nature a mother. They worshipped the rivers, they considered trees to be givers of life. Every morning when the sun rose, a new hope could be seen in its light. The air was pure, the water was clean, and greenery reigned over the earth. Video scene, people from ancient times sitting under trees worshipping in rivers. But as the centuries passed, humanity began to consider itself superior to nature. We chose a path of development where nature was reduced to just a resource. We started cutting down forests, for homes, for farms, and then for factories. The rivers that were once a source of life, we turned them into our garbage dumping grounds. The waste from big cities, the toxic water from factories, everything started being dumped into the rivers. Just imagine, the rivers whose water once quenched our thirst, today we are afraid to even touch that water. The air, which is the basis of our breath, we didn't spare that either. The black smoke from factories, the pollution from vehicles, all of this is mixing poison into our breath. In big cities like Delhi and Mumbai, it sometimes becomes difficult to even breathe. Children, the elderly, everyone is in its grip. And then plastic. It is a demon that we created ourselves. Use it once and throw it away. It neither mixes with the soil nor dissolves in water. Today our oceans are filled with mountains of plastic, causing marine life to die. Cows, buffaloes, even wild animals are falling sick after eating it. We thought we had conquered nature, that we had made it dance to our tunes, but nature is a mother, and a mother tolerates her children's mistakes only up to a certain point. When the limit is crossed, she has to show her fearsome form. Now, nature is taking its revenge, and this revenge is terrifying. First came global warming. The Earth's temperature is rising. The ice in the Arctic and Antarctic is melting, causing sea levels to rise. Indonesia changed its capital because the old capital is on the verge of sinking. This same danger is looming over India's coastal areas as well. Then came extreme rainfall and drought. Areas that never used to get rain are now experiencing floods. Cloudburst incidents in the mountains have become common, causing devastation. Meanwhile, areas that desperately need water are experiencing drought. Fields are becoming barren, farmers are committing suicide. Diseases. Pollution has hollowed out our bodies from the inside. There is poison in the air, filth in the water, chemicals in the food, asthma, cancer, heart disease. These have all become common illnesses now. Pandemics like corona are also, in some way, considered a result of nature's imbalance. And what's more, unseasonal events. Sometimes it is hot in February, and sometimes it rains in October. The weather has become unreliable. Farmers are suffering the most because their crops are ruined by these unpredictable weather changes. Friends, this retaliation from nature is telling us one thing very clearly: we can never win by going against nature. We are not the masters of nature, but a small part of it. But is everything over? Is there no hope left? No, it is still not too late. We have to understand that the change must now begin with ourselves. We will have to plant trees, we will have to clean the rivers, we must stop using plastic and promote recycling, we must use electricity and water thoughtfully, we will have to adopt clean energy sources like solar and wind power. The government and the general public, everyone must work together. Small initiatives can bring about big changes. If every person understands their responsibility, we can once again find that nature which gives us life. We can once again breathe pure air, drink clean water, and roam on a green earth. Remember, this is not just about our generation. This is a question of the future for our coming generations. We have to give them a world where they too can live in harmony with nature. So friends, let us take a pledge today that we will respect nature, we will save it, and together with it we will build a better future. Nature's revenge can be destructive, but our efforts can bring a new dawn.